Healthcare improvement with AI. Imagine the situation when doctors have an AI assistant on their side that never sleeps, has read every medical journal ever published, and can help spot a microscopic anomaly on an X-ray quickly. We are currently living through a big shift in medicine. For decades, healthcare has been reactive. You get sick, you go to the doctor, they try to fix you. Artificial intelligence helps turning medicine into a proactive, predictive science. In this video, we're taking a deep dive into the 3 ways AI is improving healthcare right now and giving you a realistic roadmap for what this looks like in the future. Part 1. The Enhanced Diagnostician. The first major frontier is diagnostics, specifically medical imaging. Radiologists are heroes, but they are human. They get tired. An AI model does not. Right now, algorithms are being trained on millions of anonymous patient scans, CTs, MRIs, mammograms. These models learn to identify patterns that the human eye might miss, especially at the end of a long shift. It's important to be clear. AI isn't replacing the radiologist. It's acting as a second reader. It flags potential issues, forcing the human doctor to take a second, closer look. Studies have shown that when you combine a top-tier radiologist with AI, accuracy rates for detecting things like breast cancer jump higher than either working alone. Before we continue, please subscribe to my channel at Everything AI 2026, click the like button, and share the video. Thank you. Part 2. Fast-tracking the cures. But diagnosing faster is only half the battle. We need cures. This is where AI is doing perhaps its most mind-bending work: drug discovery. Historically, bringing a new drug to market takes over a decade and costs billions of dollars. It's basically trial and error on a massive scale. Enter generative AI and tools like DeepMind's AlphaFold. Your body is run by proteins. Their function is determined by their 3D shape. Figuring out that shape used to take years of lab work for just one protein. AlphaFold essentially solved this 50-year-old biology challenge, predicting the structures of nearly every known protein quickly. The success was so incredible that the 2024 Nobel Prize in Chemistry was awarded for groundbreaking AI-driven protein research. David Baker received half for computational protein design, creating novel proteins. The other half went to Demis Hassabis and John Jumper of Google DeepMind for developing AlphaFold, which predicts 3D protein structures from amino acid sequences. Why does this matter? Because now, AI can simulate how billions of potential drug molecules interact with those proteins virtually, in days rather than years. That helps to reduce the timeline for developing new treatments for diseases like cystic fibrosis. Part 3. Hyper-personalized care. The third area is personalization. Medicine has traditionally been one size fits all. If you have high blood pressure, you get the standard pill. But your biology is unique. AI can help enabling precision medicine by analyzing your genetics, your lifestyle data, and your past health history to predict which treatments would work best for you. On the practical side, AI can help handling the busy work. Natural language processing is powering virtual assistants that can triage patients before they even get to the hospital, answering routine questions and freeing up nurses and doctors to focus on critical care. So, where does this land us? The biggest change would be the shift from reactive care to proactive care. In future, the data from your wearable devices won't just count your steps. AI would constantly analyze your biometrics in the background. It would help detecting the subtle physiological patterns that precede a heart attack or a diabetic episode by days or weeks, alerting you before the emergency happens. The future isn't robot doctors. It's human doctors armed with artificial intelligence, making healthcare more effective for everyone. What part of AI in healthcare are you most excited or nervous about? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe for more tech explainers. See you next time.